You want to unfuck your shit? This is live.
Yeah, that's being recorded. Hey, listen, if you want to unfuck your future, then come and join us in the Real Vision community. Incredible platform, amazing content, some of the smartest people in the world, and amazing tools. And guess what? It'll cost you nothing. Come to realvision.com. I'll see you there, and let's help you unfuck your future. Hey, everyone. As you know, Solana is one of the ecosystems I'm the most interested in. I've been incredibly bullish. I love to see the vibrancy of what is happening in the space. Unfortunately, I couldn't make Breakpoint this year, but the stories have been amazing. I heard the talks are incredible, and we're really proud of Real Vision to give you talks from Solana Breakpoint 2024 in Singapore. I really hope you enjoy them.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me here. A little bit of word about myself before I talk about the cool products that we're doing at Société Générale Forge. I've been studying capital markets a long time ago, spent more than 10 years at JP Morgan. My last role was head of equities and equity derivatives for the private bank in Asia Pacific. 2017, I left the bank, decided to become an entrepreneur in the blockchain space, and did the first ever structured product to clear, settle, be custodied on the public blockchain. Basically doing RWA before RWA was even a word. It was way too early, so I switched, went to Coinbase, spent 3 years as head of institutional sales for Asia Pacific and EMEA. And 6 months ago, I decided it was time to come back to the banking world, come back into RWA, and put like all my energy into growing that business. So I joined SG Forge, which is a subsidiary of Société Générale, one of the largest systemic banks in Europe, which is also 160-year-old. Basically making me a suit and a dinosaur. What we're doing at Société Générale Forge, we're a fully owned subsidiary of Société Générale, and we're dedicated to digital assets. We've been tokenizing securities since 2020, and the first big achievement that we had was to be the lead of the syndicate for the tokenization of the European Investment Bank bond, which was a 100 million euro bond. Other persons in the syndicates were Goldman Sachs and a large bank in Spain. Since then, we've been tokenizing more bonds, more structured products, which is one of the core business of our investment bank. And if you fast forward until the beginning of this year, we decided to push the envelope even further and essentially tokenize the investment leg. Instead of investing into this tokenized product with cash, we wanted to offer a settlement instrument in order to do so more automatically and more efficiently. So we launched a stablecoin that is called EuroCV, and that we use for the investment into the bond that we issued at the beginning of this year, which was a green bond issued by the bank and sold to a big insurer in France. Talking about the stablecoin, this stablecoin is the first MiCA-compliant stablecoin that is issued by a bank. As we received the EMI license in Europe, we also decided that we wanted to make it permissionless and fully transferable. So there are like 3 different use cases for this stablecoin, and we're working on these 3 verticals at the same time. The first one, I mentioned like using it as a settlement instrument for all the products that we and other asset managers and other banks are bringing on-chain. It's a settlement instrument, but it also can be used as a lifecycle management instrument. Imagine paying your coupons directly with the stablecoin, and at maturity of the product, automatically repaying the notional plus accrued payments to the investors automatically. The second use case is working with corporates and their treasury desk, in order for them to transfer value 24/7, cross-border, instantaneously, and very cheaply. We're also working with them using programmatic money in a way for them to be able to basically better manage their liquidity intraday. And finally, the very interesting use case, and that's the reason why we're here, is making the stablecoin available in the crypto world. As an on and off ramp for people who want to have like an investment-grade stablecoin to enter into that ecosystem, but also to make it available in the DeFi space. Liquidity pools, being able to use it in lending, and also being able to use it in indexes. And that's the reason why we're here. I'm here as well today. We really believe that the future is multi-chain, and we have been very careful in choosing which next chain to use for the deployment of that stablecoin, and obviously it has been Solana. A few reasons for that. Obviously, from a technical point of view, low latency, very high throughput, and very low cost was something that is very important to us. But it's also like the ecosystem. To me, the ecosystem is growing very fast. We see more and more developers coming to this chain. And we also had like amazing discussions with the people at the foundation. It was really a pleasure to work with them and very, very efficient as well. Having said that, we're not planning to just stay on stablecoin and bring only stablecoin to Solana. We have been tokenizing more securities. They are here on the slide, talking about smart cash, which is a structured product which has a payout that is very similar to a money market fund. Structured products which are investment solutions consisting of bonds and derivatives packaged together. That's really investment solutions that we would plan to bring as well if there are good use cases. And finally, bonds. To me, the importance of blockchain technology and financial markets, the two are going to converge in one place, which I believe is going to be DeFi. I think Solana has the perfect ecosystem for that, and hopefully there's going to be a lot of builders who are going to help us do what we're trying to achieve. So just a call for action here. Please, and we're not trying to build everything ourselves. We would like to have like all the builders come to us, present what they're trying to do, and see if we can do something together. My email is here, and thank you very much for giving me the time.
Hey there, revolutionaries. To join a community sharing insights like you just watched, head over to realvision.com. There you will get unbiased insights and exclusive access to the very best, brightest, and biggest names in finance. Be a part of our community of lifelong learners. See you there.